In a world where most of us feel safe behind locked doors, our doorbell cameras tell a different story. From the bizarre to the terrifying, they capture moments no one was supposed to see. Today, we're counting down 10 of the strangest, creepiest, and most unbelievable events ever caught on doorbell cameras. And trust us, by the end of this video, you might never look at your front porch the same way again. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Number 10. Late at night, two sketchy figures knock on the door. No package, no purpose. They whisper. They glance around. But the camera's already watching. Before they make a move, they vanish. The door never opened because the camera did its job.
I swear to God, you can't. This door for sure. Open this goddamn door, nigga. Since we wet my ass. Open this door, nigga. Bitch ass niggas. Bitch. Open this goddamn door, you hear me?
It's 2 a.m. A man approaches a family's front porch, and for the next 3 hours, he does something no one can explain. He licks the doorbell over and over, like he's in a trance. No words, no reason, just licking. Some things don't need a motive. They just need a camera to catch them. Number 8. Most thieves try to avoid cameras. This one, he stole the whole thing. Yep, walked right up and ripped the Ring camera off the wall. But the joke's on him, because it recorded everything, including his face. Smile, genius. You're already on the cloud. Number 7. A policewoman shows up at the door, but instead of knocking, she covers the doorbell camera with her hand. No warrant, no explanation. The homeowner refuses to open, and just like that, she leaves. What was she trying to hide? We may never know, but the camera saw it all.
You get your fucking hand off my fucking camera right now!
I apologize.
Get your fucking hand! Listen, don't fucking cover my fucking camera.
Okay, there's no need for that name calling.
Fuck you, bitch! But you know what? There's no need for you to be all covering the fucking camera.
That's an officer safety protocol that we usually
No,
do.
oh really? No, for my safety protocol, you ain't covering my fucking cameras. You're violating my fucking constitutional rights. What the
Okay,
fuck?
Don, I am here to talk to you. Are you home?
Fuck you! Get your fucking hand off my fucking
No,
camera and
I was
get your
just
fucking
on the phone.
get away from my fucking camera. Show me a fucking warrant. You got a warrant? Show me a fucking
Don,
warrant.
you're losing connection.
Fuck you fucking ugly cunt.
Are you able to restart or something?
No. This ain't fucking Ruby Ridge 2. Get all your little fucking pigs off my property.
No need for that name calling.
Get fuck you, bitch. You pointed fucking ARs at me. Fuck you, cunt.
Number 6. On November 19th, 2024, a quiet street in Bethel, Ohio turned into a disaster zone. A neighbor's doorbell camera caught the exact moment a house exploded. 2 lives were lost instantly. Fire crews later discovered dozens of animals, many of them cats. Only a few survived. 1 dog was found dead among the rubble. In just seconds, a neighborhood's peace was shattered and a tragedy unfolded, frame by frame. Number 5. 1 friend, 1 porch, and 1 unfortunate habit. Letting loose when no one's around. Only this time, there was someone watching. Turns out their buddy had just installed a doorbell cam, and over several weekends, the footage told a very gassy story. Number 4, January 18th, 2025. A quiet evening in Carrollton, Texas. A woman checks her Ring notification. A man in a red horned devil mask stands on her porch. He holds a sign, Revelation 20, 1-15. The verse speaks of Judgment Day and the lake of fire. He knocks. No answer. He leaves. Police say no crime was committed, but the fear lingers.
Number 2. Late one quiet evening, a homeowner got a motion alert. They checked their Ring camera, but the porch was empty. Still, a voice was caught, faint, unplaceable. Inside, their cat meowed softly, asking to be let out. But outside, no one. Was it a glitch, a ghost, or something else? Sometimes, doorbell cameras catch what eyes cannot see. Number 1. Hunter's Point. Usually quiet, peaceful, until today. A man strolls out of the park and starts tampering with a doorbell camera. The alert wakes a housemate just in time. The man rips off the doorbell, then grabs a PG&E road sign and smashes it to pieces. He's yelling at a neighbor, demanding a lighter back. No park ranger in sight, just chaos caught on camera. A wild moment frozen in time, right at the front door.